Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Now Gurukul ServiceNow Learners Club. And I am here, your friend Gagan Jolly and the Now Gurukul founder, to take you in the amazing journey of ServiceNow AI. In this learning series, we are going to learn about the AI agents in practice. It's been months and years, but we all are facing and feeling that AI pressure around us. There is a pressure to upskill on AI. There is pressure for clients to apply AI in their ecosystem. There is pressure on implementation partners to provide a better AI solutions to our consumers, to clients, so that they can bring more efficiency in their ecosystem. And there is whole going around in the world around AI, right? There is so much of positive that we hear. There is at the same time there is a so much of negativity as well. And among all those chaos from the last few weeks or last few months, I was also going through the same trail that from where I should start learning, right? I should go and learn AI in general first, or I should go and directly jump into ServiceNow AI features, and that's where the god opens the door for you. I was fortunate enough to be invited by ServiceNow in a one-day hands-on workshop, which is totally focused on hands-on part of AI agents. So the title is itself the AI agents in practice, right? So I was able to go through a great content out there and able to understand what are the ServiceNow basic features and how can you build your own AI agents, what are the elements which are required for that. And that is the same thing we are going to learn in this series. It is going to be a pure hands-on series. We are going to do labs, and most of the labs are going to do it live for you so that you are able to relate, and you're able to relate, okay, from scratch, if you're a beginner in this space, how to get it started. So let me try to see if I can share the agenda with you, that what all we are going to learn in this workshop so that you are also ready with the thoughts, right? Give me a moment and I will bring that up for you. Okay, so this is the best I could get for you. I'm just sharing my screen up. All right, I hope you're able to see my screen. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to first learn about our agentic use case, like what use case we are going to implement out here. And we are going to check the data for it. So, I think you have heard a lot of news, right? That AI is all about data. So this is the same thing that we're going to do here. How effective our data is. Then we're going to use our Now Assist skill kit build, where we are going to use it to build our custom skill. And then we are going to build an agentic workflow from end to end. We are going to understand the AI control tower lab. This is one of the focus area of ServiceNow and ServiceNow AI world, like where we're trying to understand what all ServiceNow AI control tower brings into the table and how we can utilize it to manage our agents and our ecosystem efficiently. And in the next one, we are going to module 5, we are going to learn about the data preparation and the agentic evaluation, right? And then in the module 6, we are going to learn about the auto managed workforce overview, where we are going to see how multiple agents come into the picture to solve a particular use case. And the best part is that it is all going to the hands-on, maybe 20-30% of theory just to set the context, and rest everything we are going to do live together, you and me, so that we can learn and it stays with us for the lifetime. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a leave here. This was just to set the context that what we are going to learn in this series. And in the next video, we are going to start with our module 1, which is our agentic use case and the data readiness lab. Stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.